Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to use Google Sheets for the task management, or you can say how to add a HTML form for this task management sheet. So let's make this using ChatGPT. So in my case, write app script code, make HTML form with CSS, yellow headers, black outline, and proper alignment. Okay, here's the designing part. Form fields. So let's copy the headers. These are the form fields. Okay, the task ID will be auto increment. The task detail is text field. Type is drop down with internal client. Okay, the status is drop down and then process on hold done. Okay, assign name. Okay, check the assign field and match with tab names. Add the form data into relevant tab as per assigned form field. And the member names are John, Mike, and Kim. Also make many to trigger the function. Additional menu for delete the rows as value done under status column. Okay, press the enter. Okay, now copy this code can place here and come to the top and copy the other code. There's the menu actually. Let's save this. Okay, let's find the problem. Okay, there's the HTML form. Let's copy the form here. Save this. Go to code.js and let's remove the HTML form. And now find the form name. Okay, the form name is form here. You can say and click the save. Now refresh the sheet. You can see the task manager menu. Click here and add task. It will show you the authorization code for first time. Click OK and authorize this one. Go to advanced, go to untitled project and save and allow the function. So you need to click again on task manager, add task. It will show you a form. So my task detail is make a loom for home page design. That's is the client task and the pending, and assign this to Mike. Let's click submit. The task is submitted. Let's check. You can see task added successfully. Look here. We have clicked 2 times on the submit button, that's why the task is assigned. Let's change this to done and check delete completed task. So here you can see the task which has been done, it's deleted now. So you can align your code or configure your code according to your need. For example, in my case, I want to add headers also. I want to format the headers and I want this form in the sidebar, not in the bottom or the mid of the page. And I want to clear the form after submission. It will allow me to add new submission. So you can use ChatGPT for this purpose, as I mentioned here how to do this. So you can add, for example, I need form in sidebar, clear form submission after. Okay, clear form fields after submission. Also add headers. Okay, let's check. Okay, here's the function sheet, code. Okay, let's copy this. replace the functions, click save. Now it's writing the HTML. Okay, here we have to replace the form fields actually and CSS. Okay, now it's not writing the complete code. It's saying something, your CSS here, your form fields here. So now write complete form code. Now it's writing the CSS side also and the form. Okay, copy the code and replace this form data. Click save and refresh the Google Sheet. Wait for the menu. Let's remove this everything. Okay, click on the task, add task. Now it's showing a cool form in the sidebar, right sidebar. So make a loom and it's internal task pending and assigned to again Mike. Okay. You can see here. Now task details are clear and now form fields are cleared after submission the form. So now add a second, make a web page. It's internal task and pending, assigned to John. Okay. Spellings are wrong actually. John. Now click on the button. You can see it's added here. Now let's just this. So one more task for John or Mike to check more function. Make a Google Sheet. There's an internal task pending and assigned to Mike. So it's added. Now I am doing this done. So now go to the menu, delete completed task. So it will delete the done task from the whole records. So it's the simple step. I hope now you can make a task management sheet for your team in the Google Sheet. So tap the like button and hit the subscribe this channel for more videos like this one. Thank you.